The xTool F1 Ultra Fiber Laser provides high quality metal etching with a fiber laser. In order to get the best results with this machine, you must provide the exact height of the material and use the focus calibration secret menu. Once set up, you will get consistent, strong, powerful etches that deeply penetrate. In device settings, you'll find another submenu called parameter settings. Then you have to know the magic key, Command-Shift-K. That brings up the focus calibration menu. This is the key. You need to know the height of your materials and enter it in. I'm using a heat sink in my case, so my materials are rather high at 24.5 millimeters from the base. Once you've set the height of the material, you can hit Framing File and then put the materials into the laser and have an alignment box to guide you for the placement. Once a piece of copper test material is in place, you can hit the Stop Framing button on the front console and hit Processing File. This will etch a 3x3 matrix with different focus levels. Choose the setting that is the clearest and most consistent. In this case, number 2 looks the most consistent pattern here. That 2 value will be the focus offset that we'll place in the focus calibration menu, and then we get beautiful burns.